Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to pin a community group on WhatsApp Web right from your PC. Whether you're managing multiple chats or just want quick access to your favorite community, this feature will make your life a lot easier. The process is simple, quick, and part of the latest update to WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred browser and go to WhatsApp Web. On your screen, you'll see all your chats listed on the left-hand side. Personal messages, group chats, and of course, any community groups you're part of. Communities are grouped with a small icon that looks a bit like several people together, indicating it's a shared space with multiple groups inside. Now, scroll through your chat list to find the community group you want to pin. If you have a long list of active chats, you can use the search bar at the top to type in the group's name. Once you found it, move your cursor over that chat. Here's the main step. Right-click on the community group. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select the one that says Pin Chat. Instantly, your chosen community group will move to the top of your chat list. This keeps it fixed there, no matter how many new messages you receive from other people or groups. And that's it. You've successfully pinned your community group on WhatsApp Web. Now, whenever you open WhatsApp on your computer, your pinned groups will always be right at the top for easy access. It's perfect for staying organized, okay? Especially if you use WhatsApp for work, school, or managing community events. If you ever decide you don't need it pinned anymore, just right-click on the same chat again and choose Unpin Chat. Simple as that. This small adjustment can save you time and help you stay better connected with the groups that matter most. Give it a try and enjoy the streamlined experience that WhatsApp Web's new update brings.